What we have here is we have a class of 32 girls. 19 play hockey, 22 play tennis. If all the girls play at least one of these games, how many girls in the class play both games? Now, what does if all the girls play at least one game mean? What does that mean?
In the middle there's like...
Yeah.
It means that there's no one in the U.
There's nobody on the outside. So if you imagine that sometimes we have a box called U, and there's sometimes hockey and tennis. Sometimes there's a number of people, like 10 people play neither hockey nor tennis, even though they're still in the class where U represents the class. Now, what we're told is that nobody's allowed on the outside. So, if we have 19 people play hockey in total, 22 people play tennis in total, what number do we have to, or letter do we have to take away from 19 and 22? Because we have to take away X because we have to take into consideration that people play both hockey and tennis, and you don't have to double count it. So that's why you take away the middle. Now, when you add these three sectors together, what must you get as your answer? 32. So 19 minus X plus 22 minus X plus X equals 0. We're going to get 31. The x's cancel, and then you're going to get 31 minus x, equals 32, isn't it? Not equal to 0. 32 people in the class, right? Yeah. And also 19 plus 22, 41, not 31. Now, 41 take away x is 32. What is that x? What number when you take away from 41 gives you 32?
Or just 9.
So you can bring the x over the other side, bring the 32 over the other side, and you get 41 minus 32, which is 9. X equals 9. Let's test out the number 9. Change x into 9. What's 19 minus 9? 10. What's 22 minus 9?
11. Or sorry, 22 or 12.
It is 13.
Oh yeah, minus 9 too.
Okay guys, so x equals 9, okay? And let's see if it works out. What's 10 plus 9? 19. What's 19 plus 13? 32. There's 32 people in the class. Okay. In a survey of 100 houses, 250 had television sets, 180 had a phone, and 20 had neither a television nor a phone. How many households in the survey had both? Okay, so we do a rectangle for you, and then we're going to do two circles. Just make sure I have the right color here. Okay, so there's one there, and the other one there. Okay, there's our overlap. Okay, now what am I going to call this one here? U. U is the box. T and P. Okay. How many had neither a television nor a phone? 20. So 20 on the outside. How many households in the survey had both? How many had both?
50.
Well, yeah, because it's unknown.
It's unknown, so we call it X. How many had a phone? Had a TV only then? 250.
Minus X.
And then the other one.
180.
And what does all four numbers add up to? The 250 minus X plus the X plus the 180 minus X plus the 20 has to all equal? What is it? No, just 300. Because there's 300 houses in total. Now, minus X plus X. Cancel. 250 plus 180. 430 plus 20.
450. Sorry. Yeah,
450, okay? So 450 minus X equals 300. What's X equal to? 150. Now let's test out your numbers. This one turns into 150. What's 250 minus 150? Sorry?
100.
100. What's 180 minus 150?
30.
30. Add them together. 100 plus 150
250.
plus 30.
280.
280 plus 20.
222.
Do we have 300 houses?
Yeah.
Yes, we have. How many households in the survey had both? 150.
Just stop.
Now,
So do we call it the answers for number 9 because it's like you divide through?
yeah, I suppose so. Okay, cardinal number of u, guys.
46.
How many numbers inside of u? You got to add your 11 plus your 10 plus your 18 plus your 7,
46.
which is
46.
46. Okay, cardinal number of a intersection b. What's in the middle?
10.
10. There's 10 of them. See the way it's not point 10?
Ah, okay.
Point 10 would mean there's an object, the number 10 object is there, which is one object. But because there's no decimal, see the way every single one of them only has one number in it? That's why we're counting the total number. Yes, Ryan.
When you're drawing your diagrams, you need to put in the dot. Like
Yeah, if you're putting in like, if I drew it like this, A, B,
but if you
C,
put in the dot.
you're meant to put in a dot, so you could potentially be docked, Max.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The number of objects that are in A but not in B.
11.
A not in B is 11. Okay. The number of objects that are in B but not in A.
18.
18, that one there. The cardinal number of A union B, Barry. A union B is these three added together here.
Oh, I didn't add them. I did that.
11 plus 10 plus 18.
36. 39.
39.
Sorry, please. I actually have 39 now.
It's okay. Now, Paul, what does A union B complement mean?
All the number, how many numbers? Oh, wait, sorry. Every number that's outside of A union B.
So it's outside it. So the only thing outside it is the
Complement.
the 7, yeah?
The 7, sorry.
Yeah. It's outside it. And everything outside of A. What's everything outside of A?
Which bit?
Everything outside of A complement.
18.
18 plus 7, just 25 of them. That's what the cardinal number means. That's 25.
Great.
Everything outside of B, Ushin,
11 plus 7.
which is
60 or 18.
18. Finally, everything that's in U, how many objects are in U but not in A intersection B?
7.
So we get rid of A intersection B.
Oh, it's intersection B.
Yeah, and what's left over? 11, 18 plus 7, which is your 36.
Well, that's only like